Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Gemini AI on your Android phone. First, head over to the Google Play Store and download the official Gemini application. Make sure your device is running a compatible Android version for optimal performance. Once installed, simply open the app and log in using your existing Google account. This easy setup process takes just a few moments, getting you ready to explore AI capabilities. Now that you're logged in, let's start chatting with Gemini. Tap the chat icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen, to initiate a new conversation. You can then type your questions, requests, or creative prompts directly into the text box. For hands-free interaction, simply tap the microphone icon and speak your commands. Gemini processes your input quickly, providing helpful responses in real time. Gemini offers more than just basic chat. You can leverage its advanced features to generate creative content, such as poems, scripts, or even code snippets. It's also excellent for summarizing lengthy articles or complex documents, saving you valuable time. Need a quick fact? Just ask Gemini, and it will provide accurate information on a wide range of topics. Experiment with different prompts to unlock its full potential. To get the most out of Gemini, always provide clear and specific prompts. This helps the AI understand your intent better. Don't hesitate to experiment with various conversation styles and tones to see how Gemini adapts. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your prompts concise, typically under 25 words, often yields the most effective and relevant responses from the AI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.